Pull hitch pin, then with supplied Allen key, remove shoulder bolt, then small carry handle. Line up and insert extension handle into the tool. Insert hitch pin. Reinstall and tighten shoulder bolt. Open pump control valve, end safety one-way valve. Connect pump hose to tool, ensuring there are no gaps in the fitting. Loosen handle extension locking lever. Retighten locking lever at desired extension length. With cross handle installed, maneuver tool into required position on riser, ensuring the riser is centered on spring-loaded centering devices. Close the one-way safety valve finger tight. Then open 3 turns from the fully closed position. Close pump control valve firmly. Start pumping pump handle while monitoring both the riser, pipe, and pressure gauge. For 3/4 inch risers and pipe, only pump to a max pressure of 7,500 psi. Firmly close the one-way valve from the 3-turned open position previously set. Open the pump control valve. Once open, the one-way safety valve will hold the tool closed. To open release tool, slowly open counterclockwise the one-way valve. For downhole or keyhole applications, install guide stops to both sides of the tool, ensuring that both sides are set the same. Pull out hitch pin and adjust extension handle to desired position. 45 or 90 degrees, then reinstall hitch pin. In certain limited visibility or blind applications, only one guide stop can be used effectively.